Hi everyone, this is Elena from Mindful Cuppa. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're baking a slightly healthier cake than the one we baked last week. This cake is made with spelt flour, ground almonds, cinnamon, some walnuts for luxury, and main ingredient is fresh plums. This cake goes particularly well with the following blend: a lime flour, chamomile and rose, all of which are very flowery and complement very well the plum cake. So let's see what we need as ingredients. We need a mixing bowl, 120 grams of spelt flour sifted with 75 grams of ground almonds and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We need some chocolate chips, some cinnamon, 150 grams of butter, 4 or 5 finely chopped plums, 3 medium-sized eggs, half a cup of walnuts for luxury, half a cup of brown sugar and some vanilla. We're going to bake the cake in this loaf type tin. So let's start. After 45 minutes, the cake is out the oven and it smells incredible. The cinnamon, the walnuts, it's all happening, and this is what came out. Obviously, I put some dash of icy sugar on top of it. I cannot wait to have a little slice of this with my Mindful cup of tea, which is the lime, chamomile and rose. I definitely put a little bit of honey in there because it brings out more of the flower taste. I hope you enjoy it too, and I'll see you next time. Bye.